Welcome back to the Midwest Mixer. Today we are going to make the ultimate classic old fashioned. Now, this is a classic cocktail that can be made a multitude of ways. I prefer bourbon over a lot of other things, but you can use tequila, vodka, bourbon, rye whiskey, whatever your spirit of choice is, you can definitely use that to make a classic old fashioned. Of course, we're going to use a couple of different things today. You're going to need a stirring vessel, your jigger, you're going to need your stirring spoon, ice, a rocks glass. I'm going to be using a big cube as per usual, but you don't have to use that. You can, of course, just use regular ice cubes as well. We're going to be using some Angostura Bitters, Demerara Syrup, and then with my spirit of choice, we're going to go with bourbon. So to start out, we're going to use 6 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Then we're going to go in with 0.25 ounces of Demerara Syrup. And then we're going to finish it off with 2 ounces of your favorite spirit. Yay, as my son says. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to fill this up with ice, and we are going to dilute the ice down about halfway. So you can stir a couple of different ways. You can use the teardrop end. So if you are newer to cocktails, this one's going to be a little bit easier for you. You can, of course, use the spoon side as well. One thing that I found was that it tended to get stuck on the cubes for me a lot when I was just starting out making cocktails. But as you can see, I have not perfected it, but I have gotten much, much better. So that's roughly about halfway down from where we started. And then what we're going to do is we are going to add in that big cube to our rocks glass. We're going to strain this right over the top of that beautiful cube. And then we are going to take an orange peel and express an orange peel over the top of the glass. I like to rub it around the rim as well, get those nice orange oils on there. You can discard that after you're done with it. And then for our final touch, the garnish is going to be a beautiful Amarena Cherry. And there you have it. That is our ultimate classic old fashioned. Until the next pour, cheers.